Hallo Leute! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel German from Scratch. And today we are going to learn how to use numbers while answering some basic questions. So let's get started. Handy Nummer. Handy Nummer is mobile number. Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? What is your mobile number? But yes, this is formal. In case of formal, you would say, Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? And in case of informal, we would say, Wie ist deine Handynummer? Right? So in case of formal, it's Ihre, and informal, it's deine. And again, this means, what is your mobile number? So formal, wie ist Ihre Handynummer? Informal, wie ist deine Handynummer? Right? Now let's see answer for this question. Meine Handynummer ist. Meine Handynummer ist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So, for instance, this is your mobile number. You would say, meine Handynummer ist and the mobile number. Right? If you want to learn numbers in German, please follow the link in the description below. So, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So 0 is 0. So my mobile number is 123456789 Now let's move to the next one. Alt. Alt. Alt is age. Wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? How old are you? Again, this is formal. Wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? Informal would be Wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? So bist in case of informal and sind in case of formal. Again, this means how old are you? But this is informal. Now let's answer these questions. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Ja, ich bin 25. In case your age is 25. Yeah, let's assume that. So, in that case, you would answer Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. I am 25 years old. Right? So, now you know how to answer question for age and your mobile number in German. So guys, that's all for today. Keep practicing German and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Cheers!